In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link columns in Monday.com in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to Monday.com, linking columns is a nifty feature that can help you better organize your projects and streamline collaboration. So, let's dive right in and make Monday.com work even better for you. First things first, open up your web browser. If you're already using a preferred browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, simply go to the search bar and type in Monday.com. Once you've completed your search, you will see a list of results on your screen. Now, what you're looking for is the main Monday.com website link. Usually, this will be the first on the list or the link with Monday.com in the URL. Go ahead and click on that. Next, if you haven't done so already, you'll need to log in to your account. If you're new to Monday.com, you'll need to sign up, which is a fairly straightforward process. Just follow the prompts to create your account, providing your email and other required information. If you're already a user, log in using your email and password. Once you've successfully logged in, you should find yourself at your Monday.com dashboard. Now, let's get to the juicy part, linking columns. Navigate over to the board of your choosing. You'll notice an array of options at the top of your board, and what we're interested in is the little plus icon located in the top right corner. Give that a click, and a search bar will appear. In that search bar, type in link. This action will bring up the option to add a link column to your board, which is our goal. Once you see the link option, click to add it to your board. This action inserts a new column where you can input links. This feature can be incredibly helpful for attaching supporting documents, directing team members to specific sites, or really anything that would help your project's workflow. With your new link column added, you'll notice fields where you can insert a URL and corresponding custom text for each cell in the column. This ability to customize text is particularly useful, helping you to keep your links neatly organized and easily accessible. You can name each link according to its purpose, making it far easier for both you and your team to navigate. And there you have it. Linking columns in Monday.com is a simple and efficient process that can greatly enhance your project organization. You've not only learned how to add links, but you've also given your team a more effective way to share and access information. So, start making your Monday.com boards more intuitive today. Thank you for joining me, and happy organizing!